Pag wala ka, humihinto ba ang business mo? May tumatawag agad, may naghahanap sa iyo, may staff na hindi makapagdesisyon, may customer issue na ikaw pa rin ang sasalo. At kahit na owner ka, parang empleyado ka pa rin sa sarili mong business. Ganun ba, anak? After many years of mentoring business owner, isa ito sa pinaka mapanganib na setup na nakikita ko. Because when everything depends on you, the business cannot truly grow. Hindi ka makapagpahinga, hindi ka makapag-isip, hindi ka makaalis. You are stuck maintaining the business instead of leading it. That's why this week sa ating Meet My Friends series, we are having a very important conversation. The secrets to running a business that does not depend on you alone. Together with Miss Daisy Vertudaso, fractional COO and founder of Powerhouse OBM. Hindi lang siya nag-aral ng operations, she lived it. From VA to OBM to COO, she now helps business owners build teams, systems, and operations that continue moving kahit nawala yung owner every minute. In this live interview, we will uncover the delegation mistakes, the systems, the operational leadership needed para ma-build natin yung ating negosyo smoothly. So if your business becomes unstable the moment you step back, anak, this conversation is for you. Kaya, register na now ha. See you sa live!